to this new tutorial. This tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the blog feature here on CHEETAH. Okay, the first thing that we need to do is by going here on the blog section. Okay, click on it. Okay, here's one of my blogs. Okay, I can create a new blog. Okay, I have to put here the name, will be blog, description, or no, blog, Builderall news, something like that. And you can change here the thumbnail. Okay, if we save, okay, the new blog will be created. You can also change this thumbnail later by going here, go to update, and then you can change here the description, blog name, or the thumbnail. After that, we can go inside by clicking edit blog. Here we have several options. We have the overview, the categories. If you want to create categories, authors, post templates. If you want to have like one type of version or one type of template or several types of templates, you can create your templates here. Or you can go to post. Here is where you're going to create the post for your or articles for your blog. Okay, you can also use dripping timeline for your post. You can edit the blog post, the blog from here also. Okay, you can go to settings. You can also change here the preview news. You can also change the CEO settings like keywords and meta tags. Okay, you can also import blogs from Pixel Perfect. Okay, if we go to import blog, this is the blog that I have on Pixel Perfect, so I can just click on import, and all the articles will be like copied here. Okay, and the connect option. The connect option is the first step that we need to do so we can connect this blog into the page that I want to have my blog. So I'm gonna click on connect, and here's the page that I have on CHEETAH. So I'm gonna select this one. This is the all available pages that I have on CHEETAH. So I'm gonna select funnel number 1. So I'm gonna click on connect. Yeah, you can also use a blank page or a preview of a blog. Okay, this doesn't work yet, so we're gonna use the blank page, the blank template. Okay, so let's click on select. So you'll see that I have my page already connected. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to post here and create a new post. Here I can start by creating hi, this is my first post. Okay, you have to add a title for the post, which will be first post, I don't know, something like that. A thumbnail for my post. You can go here and select any image that you want to use. I'm gonna use this one right here and select. Okay, so you have to create a category. It will be update, I don't know, any category you want to create. An author. Okay, the list is empty because I haven't created any authors yet, so I'm gonna create enter and create a tag. This is the tag that I have. Okay, so it will be update, and we go. Okay, time cycle when this post will be available. So it will be available just instant. Custom URL if you want to custom your URL here, and a template if you want to use templates, but the templates are not available yet. I'm sorry, this is the template that you have created. Okay, there are no preview templates yet for the post. You have to create your own template. I'm just gonna click on save. Go to post list. So I have my first post, and I can go to my post templates, and I can create my own template here. This is my title for my template, the thumbnail for my template, the categories if I want to create a category, and the authors. Okay, let's go back, and I can go to categories and create my own categories here. Okay, I can go over here at the top. It says new category. I can create a new category like news. Okay, so I have two categories already created. The one that I created when I published my post, and the one I created here. I can go to authors. Okay, this is the author. I can go to update the information about the author. So here's me, my own name, about. I can put my email, my biography, social media. If you want to add the URL for the social media, and the avatar if you have like your personal image. Another thing you can do is by going into overview. So overview will display all the posts that you have, all the entertaining posts, any scheduled posts, any dripping posts, the published posts that are already publish it, the hits or the clicks that you have received, okay, the unique hits that you have received by any post, a connected website from this blog, the category you have created, the author you have created. Okay, so we can go back to Cheetah. Okay, this is my website. So I'm gonna go into my editor again. So I'm gonna click edit site. So you will notice that two pages were created: blog feed, okay, and blog post. If we scroll the way down, you will also have this option here because for this example, I have the pages here, but if I want to have like a few pages here, like to have more organized way to have the blog, so I can just look the pages here. If I go to my blog feed page, this is my blog feed page, okay, you'll see that I don't have anything. The blog feed page is where I'm gonna show, okay, the articles that I have created. So I'm gonna go and add an element, and I have several options here. So I can use the blog feature if I have any blog feature. If you wish to use the blog feature, you have to go back to the blog here, go to post, okay, and you can use feature, okay. Feature post, remember that it will be like favorites post that will be shown on the top, okay. The blog feed news is where it's going to show the articles you have written before. So I can use this one. You can see that I only have just one at the moment, something like that. Or I can use uh, I can use the blog general, okay. Like if I have any news here, something like that, you have to make sure to use an image, okay. An image here is looking good, but here it's not looking good, so you have to make sure to use an image according to this size, okay. You can use like something like this, very small. You can use the block group, which is for me is the best, okay. So you can add here a block group, will be displayed like this, okay. You can use several here, so everything will be displayed here, okay. Another thing you have to make sure is by going into the other page. So let's go back into my home page to save changes, and we can go to my blog post. The blog post page is where is going to be shown the posts that I have created, but they have to go first into the blog feed. The blog feed is where it's going to show all the blog that I have created, okay. Something like, let's see, just to show you real quick, if I go to my blog feed page, okay, this is the page, this is the blog that I have created, okay, for the blog. And if I go to read more, it's gonna take me to my blog post, okay. So I have to select first read more, so you'll see that it was gonna take me to my blog post. So I'm gonna edit the blog post and just add the element, uh, so the blog will be shown, okay. So just scroll all the way down, let me delete this one, add element, and we can go to the blog post. You just drag and drop this one, and this is my blog post. So this text will be replaced, okay, by um, the post that I selected on the previous page. Okay, you have here options like size, colors, you have title style, outer style, categories, and advanced if you want to use the save element style. You can go to here, this option right here. You can change the social bar, the email. These options can be changed here on the blog. If you go to, I think is okay, so remember that this right here, the social media, is the one from the outer, okay? The email, the Facebook, the Twitter, this is from the outer, and this is for people to be able to share this blog okay, from the social media. So you don't have to link anything here. This will be linked automatically to Facebook via email. The URL will be created automatically. You don't have to change any of this, just this style. Okay, just gonna click on save to save the changes. Okay, remember that this is where outer is. If we go to outers, let's go to the blog feature and go to outer. This is the outer. We go to update, and the social media here is the one that is showing here. Okay. Let's go back to my blog feed. Let's go to website, and this is my feed. Okay, so if I click on read more, it's gonna take me to this page, which is blog post. Okay, for now I just have to wait for the propagation, so this will be shown. Okay, but basically this is the blog. You have to make sure that you have to go every time to blog here if you want to create your post and everything else, and you don't have to do anything else on the other pages because you already like modify the style and everything else. Okay, just wait for the propagation right here, so this will be shown. Let's go and save again. Perfect. Okay, so you'll see that this already load. Okay, so this is gonna take them to the first page, which is the blog feed, and if you click on read more, it's gonna take you to the blog post, which is this one. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.